This is what the average dude working on a Mazda 3 looks like. What's up, dudes? Rear end links today on the MazdaSpeed 3. Common, not fun, need to be done. And we're probably gonna have to cut them out. And this is why I say it's probably like not fun working on Mazda 3s. Like, they're really easy to work on, don't get me wrong. Why do I have to cut this out, man? We got the Speed 3 in the garage right now, and we are gonna go underneath and get rid of those rusty boys. I've already attempted once, decided I'm gonna have to cut them son bitches out. Let's get the car on the jack stand. We'll blast these with PB, just in case they maybe do wanna decide to come out. Is this stuff flammable? So essentially, like, these just get rusty and you can't take them out because they use like an Allen head. So inside of here, they'll use an Allen key head that you have to hold inside, and it just gets like, normally the Allen key head just strips right out. So normally you just have to cut it right through the nut, but I'm gonna try and hit it with the impact first. The upper ones are a pain in the ass to get at, so I'll try this out. I'm gonna see if I can get a grab on this. I doubt I will be able to, but... Oh wow. Maybe I could have just used the Allen key. Well, that side's done after completely destroying it. Now the top will probably be a problem. Oh. No way. Maybe the point of this video was worth it. These are coming out so nice. I swear I tried these not too long ago and it didn't work. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna show you guys a cheat code. When these do work, ratcheting wrenches for the rear end links are a thing from God. I have a little bit of hope for the top. Uh-oh. When things are going good and then you get stuck. Now, here it is. This is where I think the Allen head's starting to strip out. Yeah. Okay, Allen head stripped out. That's gonna get cut out or figure out some way. Okay, I'm gonna try the other side, see how this goes. Yeah, the Allen head just stripped out of this one really easily too. So I'm gonna have to cut this one out. Just drop the end links from the sway bar. I'm gonna take that control arm bolt out so I can drop this down and then get access to that bolt with the angle grinder and be able to cut these out a lot easier. Now I have direct access to that top end link bolt, which is going to make this so much easier to cut out. JK, you guys thought, even though I stripped out the Allen head, the second best tool to use in the Allen heads are these weird looking things. It works. Ain't no cutting today. This is like the challenge of, should I cut it or should I not cut it? This is like all the ways to take out your rear end links without cutting it kind of video. Putting up a fight. There it is. There is absolutely nothing holding this in place right now. Dunzos. So far, I'm 3 for 4 bolts. See if I can get that last one out, hopefully, because it's way too warm in here to be cutting stuff. And I don't know if penetrating fluid is flammable, and I could catch a really big fire in this whole house. So sorry. We took the W today. Don't even bother using an Allen. Just strips it out. Use what you're not supposed to use. All right, put the end links in now. No cutting. Sorry guys, I really hyped this up. You can probably tell, I think these sway bar bushings might be ready to get changed just because this is moving around a lot, but very easy to put in. Thing with the side, I just want to put the other one in before I tighten it all down. Best part about this, boom, no Allen head, let's roll. New end links, done. We managed to get out of that without cutting today. I'd say that's a success. Now that the rear end links are done, things should stop clunking. It should be dead quiet unless the sway bar bushings need to be done. I doubt they will be. I'm pretty sure that was the end link sound I was hearing from this car. I think this car is pretty much done and over with. And with that, I think that includes pretty much the whole suspension rebuild of the Speed 3 that we've done over the past month and a half that I've owned the car. This thing rides dead quiet even with the coilovers. It sounds great. From when I first got it, it sounded horrible. Like it felt like the whole car was just gonna like snap apart. Now it's dead quiet, it's secure, and it feels planted. It's super, super awesome to drive. It's a good feeling for sure. Other than that, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.